Hello, I'm James from Crayola. Welcome to Creativity Tips. In today's episode, we will be discussing botanical beauties and creating handmade flowers. Flowering plants are incredible treasures that we depend on for food, oxygen, medicine, and beauty. Similar to flowering plants, we depend on people to help us build skills and grow. In May, we celebrate Teacher Appreciation and Mother's Day. Handmade flowers are incredible gifts to show appreciation. For this activity, we're going to create a colorful botanical beauty. You will need colored pencils, paper, and oil pastels. Today, we're going to use the impressionism drawing technique. Let's begin by selecting a colorful flower. Draw the inside and outer lines of the flower, filling the entire page. Ready for a creativity tip? Let's use the oil pastels. The impressionism drawing technique shows layers of colors using hatching or cross-hatching lines. You can also create a smooth texture or blend colors by smearing the oil pastel with your finger or paper towel. Finally, let's add a special note on the back of the drawing for whoever you're going to give this to. Perhaps your teacher, mom, or grandma. Thank you for helping me learn new things. James. To whom will you give this botanical beauty? Parents and teachers, post young artist creations on social media. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with creativity tips.